Okay, so you have read question right. Okay, let's say. So what is the total number of photo bonds in the housing estate? So let's just find out how many families have the number of photo bonds on. Okay, for example, one photo bond, how many families is that? Two. Okay, two photo bonds, how many? 5. 3, you have 7 families. 4, you have 10. 5, you have 7 again. Okay, and 6 photo bonds, you have 3. Okay, so what is the total number of photo bonds? Very simple, right? Okay, 2 times 1 plus 5 times 2 plus 7 times 3 plus 10 plus 4, 10 times 4 plus 7 times 5 plus 3 times 6. Okay, so make it simple for you. Do all the brackets first. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 7 times 3 is 21. 10 times 4, 40. 7 times 5, 35. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so this is people do. So use your calculator. Add them all together. You should get 1, 2, 6. Okay, so answer 1 to 6. Remember to write your units. Potted plants. Okay, so part B. What is the ratio of the number of families with 3 or less photo bonds to number of families with 3 or more photo bonds? Okay, so ratio. Okay, ratio. So on one side you have 3 or less. 3 or less. Okay. Sorry. 3 or less. 3 or less. Okay. On the other side, you have more than 3. Okay. So 3 or less, you're gonna add up. 3 or less. So you're gonna add up these 3 numbers, right? 5 plus 7 plus 2. Okay. So what is that? 5 plus 7 plus 2, you have 14 on this side. Okay. More than 3. More than 3, that means 4, 5, 6. So you're gonna add up these 3 numbers. 10 plus 7 plus 3, you have 20. Give your answer in the simplest form. Okay. Ratio, even if they don't tell you, you should know by now. It should always be in the simplest form. Divide by 2, you get 7. Divide by 2, you get 10. Can you reduce further? Cannot. So this is the final answer.
Overwhelmed by the sheer variety of PSLE Math questions, especially in Paper 1 Booklet B and Paper 2? Now you're not alone, and there's a smarter way to tackle it. After years of guiding students through these challenging sections, I developed the 9-type system, proven framework that simplifies even the trickiest word problems by distilling them into just 9 core types. This system helps students recognize common patterns in questions, apply a step-by-step problem-solving strategy, understand concepts deeply, not just memorize, maximize marks with an exam smart approach. The 9-type system, proven, powerful, effective, designed specifically for primary 6 students who are aiming for excellence. What makes this online math camp different? In addition to covering all the essential topics, students will be taught the 9-type system, equipping them with a powerful framework to confidently tackle any word problem they face in the exam. Let's dive into what we have in store for your child. Covers core topics: fractions, ratio, speed, volume. circles, ... and more high-yield topics critical for the PSLE. What to expect, strategic problem-solving techniques. Challenging questions from top school prelims. Practice with real past papers from schools like Rosyth, Henry Park, Nanyang, Raffles Girls, Nanhua, Mahabodhi, and many more. Small group setting for focused guidance. Ideal for students who want to strengthen fundamentals and master advanced techniques. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality learning, boost confidence, sharpen skills, ace the PSLE. In this camp, we will equip your child with the tools they need to navigate the PSLE with confidence. Don't let the stress of exam time overwhelm your child. Give them the gift of a strategic, simplified approach to PSLE Math. Location: online. Watch how I solve example questions. Singapore PSLE Math Tuition, YouTube.
I have achieved for A stars, the equivalent of for AL1, for my own PSLE. Having done it myself, I know what it takes to achieve AL1 EPSL.
Find out more about my credentials and teaching experience. Singapore Primary PSLE Math Tuition, simplifying PSLE Math, maximizing results. DM through Facebook.